you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I do have some special guests today. I get a lot of questions about these two. They're my little French bulldogs, but this one's Enzo, this one's Stewie. Enzo hates being picked up, as y'all can see. They are super heavy. They're like 50 pounds together. But anyways, I'm in a filming mood and I was like, what can I put together really quick to make a video for you guys? And I completely forgot that my BOXYCHARM has been sitting in my filming room since I've got it like a few weeks ago and I hadn't even opened it. So we are going to open this up and see what I got in here. If you're not familiar with BOXYCHARM, it is a subscription and you get 5 full-size items every month. And I have not opened it yet, so I'm super excited to see what I got. It is the Too Faced Diamond Highlight. This one-of-a-kind highlighter is infused with real crusted diamond powder and light reflecting pearls to create a luminous Canary yellow diamond glow that will make you sing. Okay. Light up your complexion with pure golden radiance in a silky powder formula by swirling the honey yellow and peachy gold shades together to create a custom highlight all its own. Each highlighter is created with our unique marble pouring technique, ensuring no two highlighters will ever look the same, just like a real diamond. Okay. So it does open like this, and it does say it's your time to shine. That's really cute. And then this is the packaging, and you just open it like that. It's really, really pretty. So stunning. So let me just swatch it. It does look like it's like kind of like dual chromed. Okay, so that is a swatch of it. It is golden. It looks like it has like a bit of glitter chunks in it. More like, not like a normal highlighter. So I'm curious to see how that is going to wear. But I'm really excited to try. And next up we do have Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. This is what the box looks like. A silky smooth matte blush and bronzer duo that adds color and dimension for a natural sun-kissed look. Enriched with sea buckhorn extract to rejuvenate and lotus flower extract to help moisturize dry skin. Mango seed butter contains vitamin C to help soothe and brighten. Long-lasting, blendable, buildable. It does have a mirror inside, and the colors are Bellini and Costa. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but these are the shades. The bronzer is not really picking up on camera, but it's actually like a really pretty shade right here. Let me see. Yeah, it's not really picking up, but it is like a true cool tone bronzer. It's really pretty. This is a lipstick right here, and it's from Manna. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I don't think I've ever heard of that brand before. Okay, it's Lip Whip Dream. That is the shade that is in, if you guys can see that. But it looks like a nude pinky tone. I'm not going to open it up just yet. But it doesn't really say too much on it, actually. Like, it just a lipstick. So we would definitely be trying that out in a video. And then I do have 8-hour Radiance Re-newal Sleeping Mask from Avant. It looks just like this. It is full size. It's really cute. So I'm actually really excited to try a sleeping mask because I haven't tried one lately. And so mostly every time I do try one, it either makes me really oily or it makes my skin like super, super dry. And I just do not like it. So I'm really excited to try this out. And last but not least, I'm so excited. I was wondering which eyeshadow palette I was going to get. It is the Vintage Dawn palette. It says the Vintage Dawn palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises witnessed in various locations around the world and is a sister palette to our Scarlet Dust palette. Did not know that. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Ooh, okay. Whew. That is what I'm talking about. This looks like it is going to be very, very pigmented. The color Cactus is calling my name, so I'm kind of serious. This is just gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. That's the one that I really, really like. The Cactus one. It's so pretty. I love this. The names are so pretty as well. Alright y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this short little BOXYCHARM unboxing. But don't forget to click that subscribe button before you guys leave and turn on that post notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!